Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah wa syukrulillah. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi min jami' ummatihi ila yaumil qiyamah. Amma ba'da. All my beloved brothers and sisters, Muslimin and Muslimat who are glorified by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whom I respect them wherever you are. Praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has given us some blessing for us till we can gather in this afternoon. And we don't forget greeting and salutation special for our Prophet Muhammad SAW, along with his family, his companion, and his all people until the end of time. And we always pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yeah, we have always getting reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala what we have done this afternoon. Yeah, we hope this activity is not unuseless, but will get reward from Allah because we have wasted the time this afternoon. All right, everyone. Till this time, we are still talking about life and alive. Life and alive. Life and alive. It is different, according to my opinion, between the understanding of life and alive. It is different. Yeah. Let's check out together. A cat is live, but he does not own a life. He does not own an alive. Of course, this is different. Once again, cat is alive, but he does not own an alive. Of course, this is different between life and an alive. I think it's clear. The example which I have explained it for you this time. So, we have to be careful to understand both alive and unalive. It is important. Because Allah has explained us. Allah explained us in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, the page 28. Yeah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kaifa takfuruna billahi wa kuntum amwat. Al-ayah. It is remind us. Allah give an explanation in order we have to pay attention the understanding of alive and unalive. Once more, buffalo is alive, but he doesn't own an alive. Yeah. Alive is being functionate our origin, it is life, or life is the existence of something or someone, that is life. So one again, life is the existence of someone, the existence of something. Yeah, that is alive. Or we can use, we can use the origin to do something. It is alive. But an unalive having responsibility. What we have done, what we have done, it has the reason, the causality, what we have done. So, Allah explains us once again, Kaifa takfuruna billah wa kuntum amwat. Because our life from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is a gift, having responsibility. And it has the reason. Yeah. we have to responsible in front of Allah after we enter to another realm. Because our life not only in here. We want to move. Yeah, to another realm, in burial arm, yeah, in gravery arm up there, and then the last one will enter to the hereafter. Over there we live, but we don't have a responsibility, and we don't have an life. Life in after they are free. Yeah, will get happen from our activity when we were on the world. So we must be careful in here. Allah gave information for us in order we can use alive and unalive. Al-Quran has explained Surah Al-Araf, the phase 159. 159. Allah has explained us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. وَلَقَدْ ذَرَأْنَا لِجَهَنَّمَ كَثِيرًا مِنَ الْجِنِّ وَالْإِنسِ لَهُمْ قُلُوبٌ لَا يَفْقَهُونَ بِهَا وَلَهُمْ أَعْيُنٌ لَا يُبْصِرُونَ بِهَا وَلَهُمْ آذَانٌ لَا يَسْمَعُونَ بِهَا أُولَئِكَ كَالْأَنْعَامِ بَلْ هُمْ أَضَلُّ أولئك هم الغافلون. Sadaqallahu al-Azim. From this phase, we'll get an understanding from Al-Quran, from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We have to understand the difference between alive and unalive. After we have understood both them, of course, yeah, our life, yeah, which is not described by Allah in Surah Al-Araf, the phase 159. وَلَقَدْ دَرَعْنَا لِجَهَنَّمَ. Really, we praise the most of jinn and human in a hell of Jahannam, subhanallah, will enter to the hell of Jahannam because we neglect our life. We don't understand the understanding life and unalive. Once again, Buffalo is alive, but he does not own an alive. Look out. Buffalo is alive, but he does not own an alive. Of course, it's different. The understanding alive and unalive, living and unliving. Wow. وَلَقَدْ ذَرَأْنَا لِجَهَنَّمَ كَثِيرًا مِنَ الْجِنِّ وَالْإِنسِ. Surely, really, we will place the most of jinn and human, yeah, in the hell of Jahannam. Why? Because lahum qulubul la yafqahuna biha. They have heart, but they don't use it. The next one, yeah, lahum a'yunun la yusiruna biha. They have eyes, but they never use it. And the last one, they have eyes, but yeah, they never use these eyes. Finally, won't forget the understanding of life and alive. Yeah. Animals are alive, but they don't have an alive. Because an alive has the responsibility in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We have to know that point. In order our life safety, yeah, entering to the heaven, entering to the paradise, entering to the Jannah, will be happy over there forever. Of course, forever we are, okay, following the descendant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because kaifa takfuruna billah wa kuntum amwat. There is not Yeah, there is not of us, not existing of us in the world. Yeah. Wa kuntum amwat, and others. Be careful, everyone. I think our meeting in a short time will get reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Once again, in order will be success our life on the world, we have to know that we have life and we have an life. Because we have a life, our life and an animal, of course, it is different. Because once again, animals are only alive. Animal has a life, but they don't have an alive. So an animal, they don't have the responsibility in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala different with us. Over people, over human being, the mankind, all of them, after living on the world, they have to responsible in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So use our heart, use our ears, use our eyes in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be asked. That is an lie. We hope our meeting this time will get a reward, and we always pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala getting reward from Allah, because we'll enter to the graveyard, we went to enter the hereafter, okay, only the capital of reward. Our rank lost, our position lost, our health lost, everything is lost, only one reward. So we must understand the understanding of life and the life. I think enough. Then we hope to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will get reward together what you have wasted the time to follow this program, to follow this reciting of Islam, getting the grace from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I know lot of speaking, lot of mistaken. So I pray to Allah. Wallahul muwafiq ila aqwamit thoriq. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.